What is up, Gearheads? Welcome back to Hammerhead Gearhead. Noel Guevara here, and I'm excited to uncover this beautiful piece of art that is with me here today. Now, I know a lot of people have been waiting for this, and it just landed on my lap for a quick photo and video shoot and this unboxing, so I consider myself very lucky. This is the TEQ63 Tactical Halfmask by Quiccs. And this is not just a mere collectible. This is a statement from an artist whose visual clout has started a global sensation and movement. And we're going to unbox it here on Hammerhead Gearhead. Now, before we dive into this mask, let's do a deep dive into who Quiccs is, at least for the benefit of those who don't know him. The artist, presently known as Quiccs, started out as a talented little Juanito Maiquez who was heavily influenced by 1980 and 1990s cartoons, anime, mecha, and hip-hop. Already a strong and capable visual artist with the right amount of grit, or dungis, Quiccs joined my visual design company Burnwater in 2007. We started out here in this very studio. As a team, we worked countless hours on visual design projects and were only fueled by long sessions of Call of Duty, Company of Heroes, and Burger King and McDonald's runs. Like the proverbial leaky faucet, Quiccs ushered in a flow of visual design in Burnwater that persists until today. Quiccs then meshed his love for 80s and 90s hip-hop and cartoons and brought about the Bullet Punk brand and TEQ63 line, which snagged him Toy Designer of the Year by fan vote from the Designer Toy Awards 2 years running. This led to him becoming the first toy designer to earn a collab logo and the first Filipino creator of Adidas, a brand that he has loved for years. Okay, let's get into the meat of this video sandwich, or as Quiccs likes to call it, the palaman. But if you haven't yet, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. Good? Alright, let's switch to the top camera. Hi, what's up? The mask arrived in this sleek, hard cardboard box following the trend of high-end products coming in high-end packaging. So obviously, you won't be throwing this away. This is where you'll keep your half mask and store it here. And you know, honestly, in itself, obviously, it is a collector's item. Now, opening it feels like you're opening a loot box from Call of Duty World War II or an exotic chest from The Division 2. And then there's the holy grail, that is the tactical half mask itself. You have these two garters to hold it in place when you're transporting it. And when you pull it out, you immediately see Quiccs' visual aesthetic for Bullet Punk and TEQ63 shining through. Now, fair warning, this mask is a late prototype. This was lent to me for the purpose of this unboxing and also for a product video and photo shoot and a lifestyle shoot, so the final product may slightly differ. The mask itself is made of fiberglass resin, and attention to detail really screams premium quality. The mask is affixed to the wearer's head with these garterized straps with intricate designs of TEQ63 and Bullet Punk, and it's secured by this quick release buckle. The mask is produced in collaboration with Arlux Customs, who reached out to Quiccs early this year. They threw around a couple of concepts before settling on the half mask. They started 3D sculpting and prototyping last January, and what you're seeing now is the latest version. The masks are connected to the Bullet Punk brand and its stable of characters. The mask comes in two sizes, a bigger one and a smaller one. Now, looking at these prototypes, there doesn't seem to be any difference in terms of detail. It's just really a matter of scale. So what I'll do now, I'll wear each one so you have a reference or a gauge of how big these ones go. So first will be the bigger one. Okay, so it's unbuckled. Put it on. Snap the buckle at the back. Tighten it up a bit. And there you go. This is the bigger of the two. Let's try on the smaller one. Okay, so this is the smaller one. Put it on. It's obviously tighter. So if you have a smaller face, this might go for you. It's really crushing my face a bit. The bigger one actually is a bit too big for me as well, so I fall in that crack, that gray area between the two. If you're going to choose, always choose the bigger one, obviously, because this one is getting uncomfortable even with just barely 2 minutes on. But you know, this is how it looks. Alright, so let's take these two bad boys outside. So aside from the photos and videos of these masks that you've been seeing in this video, Quicks also asked me to shoot a few layouts that are sort of lifestyle themed. So I found this place, this abandoned building. It's privately owned, so there are no other people there, so it's safe. And I dragged my niece Bea so we can have a few shots of her and of me. Let's check it out. Okay guys, so I'm about to go to our location, and what you're about to see is sort of a condensed edit down of the actual behind the scenes of this shoot. Now, if you want to see the full version of the behind the scenes of this lifestyle shoot and the product photo and video shoot, click the link above and the link in the description below. I have a full episode of it in my vlog called The Lowdown. So if that's something that you want to watch, then go ahead and click, or just finish this episode first and watch that. All right, let's do it. Now, one question I'm sure you guys have is if this mask actually has some filtering functions. Well, this prototype, it doesn't have any, but you have two options. So first, you can take your surgical mask, put it on, there you go, and then you put the half mask over it, like so. You can pull it down a bit so you don't see the surgical mask, but this is one way to do it. So this is why you should get the mask a size that is slightly bigger and gives this sort of allowance. Now, another, okay, I was a bit messy. So this prototype doesn't have this, but according to Quicks, the final product is going to have button-on filter pockets inside, so you don't need a surgical mask and it will have that filtering function by itself. And there you have it. I asked Quicks what his future plans are for the masks, and he said that other masks related to his brand and other characters are in the offing. As announced by Quicks recently, the mask will be available for pre-order starting July 28, 2020 at the Hidden Fortress Manila website. So I've included the link in the description below, so check it out and mark your calendars. Also, I want to hear what you think of this TEQ63 Tactical Halfmask. Do you like it? I think it's awesome, but you know, I want to hear your thoughts. If you've been waiting for this, is it everything that you've imagined it to be? Or if not, you just watch this video and you know, off the bat you want to buy it and get it. So let me know. I want to hear it. And also, let me know what you think of my new set design. So I arranged things a bit. I think, you know, I felt that the previous one was a bit too detached and distant. So we have this. This is the maiden appearance of my new set, so also let me know in the comments if you like it. And that's it. Follow me on Instagram, Noel Guevara Photo, follow Quicks on Instagram, Quicks, you can see it here. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video, so cheers guys, thank you for watching.